Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a Instagram shop without a website. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this reputable article by Aspire. So to start Instagram business without a website, you just have to sign up for a business account. So if you already have a personal Instagram account, you just have to go to Instagram, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then just go to settings. And here there will be an option to switch to a business account, and here you can just switch to a business account, and then you can just start an Instagram shop without a website on your business Instagram account. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.